Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this train museum here in Wakefield, New Hampshire. Now, the museum on the inside doesn't actually open till July, these buildings here. But there's a lot of stuff on the outside, and I asked permission to come up here to show you around. For now, I'll just show you everything out here, including the old trains, and this old water tower. And later on this summer, I'll go into buildings because they have like a replica, a layout, like I'll say, model railroad layout of the town, and they have a working model train and stuff like that. So that'd be pretty cool to see. For now, I'm just going to walk around the outside here and show you what they have here on the outside. And of course, you see the old train station right here. Now these tracks are active. This is for the New Hampshire North Coast, and I did post a short video of that train. That basically goes between Ossipee and Boston every day. They make daily trips, and it's what they're doing is hauling sand and gravel and things like that. So they'll come through here twice a day, usually about 9 or 10 a.m. in the morning, and then sometime around 4 or 5 o'clock at night we'll come back through. Some old trunks. And like I said, I can only do the outside for now because not till July 1st. I just wanted to show you around. I keep driving through this place. Can I take a look at it? Right there. These old trunks, huh? I wonder what those were used for at one time. Equipment. Another old trunk. This right here was donated. This was actually taken apart, taken down, and moved to this location in Lakeshore Park Association. That came from Guilford, New Hampshire, so that's about an hour from here. Just look at this huge water tower. Back up here so we can get a view of it. Isn't that amazing? All these years still together, plus they had to take it apart, refurbish it. I saw some pictures of the sections coming off. They had to make sure the framing inside was good. Yeah, it's quite a project. Just walk all around it. Sitting on these massive beams, of course. Wow. There's a little stretch of tracks right here on the ground. A good view of that right there, the ladder going up. Pretty amazing, huh? That old, standing for that long, like again, plus, having to take it apart and refurbish it and everything. The amazing project. It's cool to see that. We have some little friends right here. How you doing? I have no idea who owns these. Just got, oh, they seem friendly anyway. How are you? Hey, what you doing? I'm just looking around. I won't bother you. Aren't you cute? Huh? Wish I had a carrot for you. I'll bring it next time, okay, guys? And, again, there's various buildings that you can go into, historic buildings and things like that, when the whole park is open in July. But, again, I drive past this so much, I just want to wanted to actually come out and take a look at it. And I don't know if they duplicated the original colors or not. I don't know. I have to do some research there. Look at that. Looks pretty good too. This, of course, is metal sheeting. But the cool thing about this one here, it's all wood. All wood on the outside. It must look great inside. I can't wait till I can show you. This little video will just be like a little preview for you. See what I'm going to be doing. And one cool feature you'll notice about this, on the front of it, is the snow plow. So they could go, you know, up here we get tons of snow, New Hampshire, Maine. So they had to move the train along. So that would just push the snow out of the way for them. How about that? Amazing that that's all still intact. You know, cracking here and there, but still pretty solid. You can see some wood on the inside here. Imagine seeing that push the snow even years ago. Be quite a sight. Just the fact that it's all wood. Really love to see that. And you can see right here, Bangor and Aroostook Railroad, Northern Maine. Beautiful. All right, so again, this is just a quick look at what I can show you on the outside for now. And later on in the summer, I'll come do a video from the inside. Just wanted to show you how well preserved this is. This whole location. This is Wakefield. Really, this is just like maybe, I don't know, 5 miles from my place. One of the old historic buildings still standing, some still being used. So if you like trains, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, sort of a part 1 video, but I'll show it to you anyway. Heritage Park. So again, hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you soon.